Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It seems like everyone's excited for Conan O'Brien's return to television with the second season of Conan O'Brien Must Go in May 2025. While we wait, there's a new special, the Kennedy Center Mark Twain Prize for American Humor, available on Netflix. This special is filled with laughs from Conan's friends and collaborators like John Mulaney, Andy Richter, Adam Sandler, and David Letterman. One funny moment involved Kumail Nanjiani poking fun at Conan's legacy on The Simpsons, that we did this making Nanjiani questioned Conan's impact on the iconic show by pointing out that despite being part of the writing team, Conan only contributed to 3 episodes out of 781. To emphasize the small scale of his contribution, Nanjiani compared it to Charles Manson's influence on the Beach Boys, suggesting Manson had a larger impact musically. Of course, this comparison was meant to be humorous and shouldn't be taken too seriously. And it's safe to say that both Conan O'Brien and Charles Manson have made their mark on pop culture in their own unique ways. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.